Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So yesterday I did a big update on AMC. Today is Gamestop. Let's get into it. Alright guys, as usual, 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we are having for GameStop. So first thing, as usual, I like to remind you guys what was my last scenario. So for GameStop, I was telling you that we are having a WXY correction, which is, a triple three or double three. You can call it this, the both ways. It just means that you have a complex correction that is containing zigzags, flat, or triangles. So here, W zigzag, X zigzag, and Y, which is flat. All right. I'm going to get rid of that because, otherwise we don't see anything. And here, guys, in my last video, I was telling you that we are doing the last wave of this complex correction. At the very beginning, I was even telling you guys about the triangle, but that didn't hold. We had this here, all this move that made the difference between a triangle that we could have had here and here. I still have the lower band of my triangle, but finally we broke that. So here, I'm not going to go through this again, but you could have stop loss here and bought at those level if like you guys like to do some day trading. But the result is the same, is that this pattern is now finished. So what are we expecting? I'm going to tell you very soon what we are looking for. First, what you can see, guys, is I kept the lower band of my triangle here, connecting this low and this low, and that had a good reaction here. Let's go on the hourly time frame. I want to show you guys this because this is very important. In trading, you connect the lows. So here, okay, I'm going to do it perfectly. Here it's connected. Here almost touched, here connected, and here we had this breakout. You can see, guys, it's, not a surprise that after this move down, we had this strong move down. Is because here, a lot of traders saw the breakout on the downside and probably sold some GameStop shares. I'm talking here about day traders, whatever. But those guys, they're doing the market. So it's important to understand how they trade, why they are doing things, so we can anticipate. And here, guys, after a support has been broken, it becomes a resistance. So it's the same thing, guys, here. So, bam. In my last video, I was telling you that we are expecting, like here, the resistance level on the short term, but it's still here. You can see this trend line that is still here. I was telling you we need to break this to become bullish again and actually complete the C wave. It has been done here, guys. And you can see, as usual, when we have this type of breakout, it's strong moves up with a stronger associated volume. So here it worked out perfectly. Now, what you can see, guys, is that we got rejected at this level, at the 165 level, roughly, which is the lower band of my previous triangle. And another thing is that here, guys, as you can see, we having the 200 period moving average that is actually hidden here. You can see, bam, revealed. It's hidden here, guys, and it's always interesting to notice that the lower band of my triangle is perfectly coinciding with this 200 period moving average. So this is actually our strong resistance. Now we need to take it back. We will take it back. I think so, because once again, this complex correction is complete. So maybe I'm missing something, but I don't have any bearish alternative scenario here. But you never know. Maybe the C wave is going to be a bit longer. Maybe it's going to be an ABC itself. This can happen. Everything can be extended. There is nothing 100% guaranteed, but here it looks to me very good. AMC looks very good as well. So those two probably going to move together. So it's another reason for me to confirm my bullish case here. So guys, now what we want to happen. So first, let me show you something here. Like I said, the 165 level is an important level. We need to break it. But another one that we absolutely need to break is, this kind of pivot point that I'm telling you about, guys, for a very long time. I put it in purple here so everybody can see it, this one. So this 173 level roughly is very important as well. When we are above it, we are bullish. When we are below it, we are bearish. So for now, we are still in this complex correction. I mean, for me, it is complete, but for many people, you know, some day traders probably going to keep pushing the price down at those levels, the hedge funds. But if we take it back, they're probably going to have some stop losses here. So you're going to see that if we trade above 173, it's going to be with a strong move as usual, guys. Here, strong move, here, strong move, here, strong move. We don't go through this level with a small move. When we go through this level, it is with big volume and big volatility. So something like this, you know, as usual, you can use ELLIOTT to kind of predict. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are waiting for something like this to happen. So let's see if we are having it here. But it's very important that we break this level with a very strong price action. So, and one more thing I wanted to show you guys. So we have this level to take back, the 163, you know, which is the kind of 200. Yeah, it's a moving level. It's going slightly higher. So it's basically going to be the same level as the 173 on the 18th or 19th of May. So we have this one level to take back, and we have hidden enemy, guys, that is actually hidden here. Let me show you guys this. And this is the enemy we really need to take back. Bam. Okay, it's hidden here, guys. And this is very important that we go above that. Once we did, there would be nothing technically, of course, that can stop the price going higher. You still have this 215 level, but it's going to be very weak compared to this downward sloping trend line that I got connecting the top of the first wave and the top of this first wave here as well, but the lower degree counting. So it is roughly around the 200 level. All right. So we probably going to be rejected there in the third wave. That is probably going to happen this week. So I expect the price action to go to 195 this week, get rejected, go back to the 173 level, where we're going to have, of course, some support, because if we break it, guys, it's going to become support. So bam, 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 bam. Then we come back here. And then, of course, bam, we break it very strongly. And this is going to be only, guys, the first wave of my impulsive move starting here. All right. And what is that, guys? What is that? I'm going to put it in yellow. This is the third wave we are waiting for. So it is, I think, the very beginning of it. So it's not going to be like this, actually. This is only going to be 1, 2. The 3 is going to be extended here, probably 4 and 5. Okay. I'm expecting more something like this and go to the 800 area. I'm talking about the 800 level for a very long time, guys. Let me show you once again how I get this level. It's basic fib extensions application, but it's working very well on this kind of market. You measure the first wave, you apply it to the bottom of the second wave, 808, you know, it depends where you put this exactly, you know. I like it to call it 100. 100 is a big run number, and I think we're going there, and this is only going to be our third wave, guys. So let's see, maybe then we're going to have 4 and 5. For those who are saying, yeah, do you think 800 is the maximum level? The answer is no, guys. If we go there, we might go higher. I'm just saying that we're going to have some selling pressure here and probably going to have a strong correction, and then maybe we're going to have a fifth wave. But we're not there yet. We are just doing the third wave. And one more thing I wanted to tell you guys that is very important is that, you know, here I'm giving you some early signals. I'm actually, you know, using two main information. The first is that my WXY correction looks complete. Once again, the C wave can be extended. I don't think it will, because I'm looking at AMC as well. That gives me very clean signals on the short term. And I'm just missing here the volumes, guys. We don't have the volumes on GME back yet. So we are missing the volumes, but we're probably going to have it when we're going to break this overhead resistance of 173 and the hidden enemy that is here, guys. All right. I like to put it in black because, you know, you don't see it. I mean, it's not a natural resistance, you know, but when you do technical analysis for a long time, you know that this is the kind of downward sloping trend line that is actually very important to break so that the bullishness comes back in the market for good. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please don't forget to click on the sub, like, and bell button so you're going to be the first to know when I upload anything new. And stay close to shore. I'll see you guys.